This morning, I'm starting by putting all of our baking stuff away from our all-day baking day yesterday. Super easy. I've got baskets everything goes into, so I'm plopping them in there, putting them in the cabinet. And then I'm going to clean my kitchen. I'm also going to clean my microwave and my stove today. Glory has a friend coming over this morning. And then later on this evening, that friend and her family, we're all going to go see the Christmas lights together. I just realized I'm almost out of cleaner, so I'm going to go ahead and make another batch real quick. This is Force of Nature. I'm going to link it down below. It is a natural alternative. We've been using this for about a year and a half and really like the results. Glory set up the Grinch today. He is laying out at the beach. I thought this was a really cute little setup. And then it was time to open her 12 Days of Christmas gift. This is day number 7. Remember yesterday we switched 6 and 7? So this is our day number 6, which is really day number 7, and we are watching the All I Want for Christmas Is You. It's a movie about a girl trying to finding a puppy after she really wants a puppy or something like that. It's actually a really cute movie. And then before we watch the movie, her and her friend are going to, well, I'm going to actually do this as well, but I only have 2 canvases. So they are going to draw and paint puppies on a canvas. I have the tutorial listed below on how to do this, and then I'm going to do it on a piece of paper. While I was tidying up before a friend came, I decided to help her put her purlin thing together by ironing it. Did not realize you weren't supposed to put a towel on top of it. Thought I did that last time. Clearly I was wrong. I ruined my towel and I ruined this purlin set, so now I'm going to buy her another one. Her friend is also in a couple of my homeschool classes, so she made me this homemade card for a Christmas gift we gave her at one of our parties, and it's super cute. She actually made it with the gift we gave her. Then it was time to get all the laundry caught up. So here you go, from worst to really good. And then the girls sat down and started drawing their puppies. So this is a tutorial. It is on YouTube and it is linked below. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is what ours turned out looking like. So the girls actually gave up on their canvases. My daughter gave up altogether. Sayla finished hers on paper. I don't have the paper. And then I finished mine on paper. This is what mine looked like. None of them look exactly like the puppy, but we had a lot of fun doing it. Then it was time to play our Christmas games. So we played our card matchup game. Her friend really liked this one. We played it several times. And then we played a round of the Santa delivering gifts around the world as well. Then it was time to head out to the Christmas lights. This is Christmas on Breezy Hill. If you are local, this is something I would absolutely recommend checking out. We had such a fun time with the crafts, the face painting, the food, the lights, all of it. We then ended the night by heading home and watching The Red One, the new Christmas movie, as a family.